amazing health benefits of practicing yoga every day. It not just soothes our body but also fills our mind with positivity. It's a great physical activity which is accessible to everyone. But did you know that even a short sequence of yoga postures with conscious breathing can improve the quality of your sleep? Well, in a time where most of us struggle to get a good sleep, practicing yoga before sleeping can be the best option. Yoga before bed has multiple health benefits. It helps to reduce stress, worry, and anxiety. Incorporating deep breathing and meditation into your night yoga practice will encourage you to relax and allow you to sleep through the night no matter how stressful your daily routine is. It also relaxes muscles by releasing muscle tension from the workday. Not just this, practicing strengthening yoga postures will boost your metabolism to encourage burning more calories while you sleep, thereby aiding in weight loss. Also, yoga poses with deep breathing and meditation helps us to practice mindfulness instead of poor late night habits such as snacking or mindless phone usage. Well, in short, practicing 15 minutes of yoga a day has many health benefits, especially when you use a relaxing sequence before bed, allowing for your body to unwind and reset.